everyone. We're going to continue our educational series and specifically looking at volatility. In our last video, we talked about volatility in the market is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And historically speaking, when we look at the last 39 years, going back to 1980, 29 of those, or 3 out of 4, the market generated a positive rate of return, which is encouraging. And yet, there are periods of time where we see temporary drawdowns in the market. We call them red dots. And those red dots represent an opportunity or a temptation to make an emotional decision. And so I wanted to press into that a little bit more and show you just almost a scatter plot of what it looks like to see those maximum drawdowns in any given year over the last 40 years. So we see that a 10 to 20% drawdown in any given year is actually very common. And again, I want to just speak to the magnitude of that. On a $1 million portfolio, that's about $100,000 to $200,000 that might seem like it went away temporarily. And yet, we describe ourselves as long-term investors who manage money for long-term investors. And even though these periods of volatility are frequent and to be expected and completely normal, we know from our research and from our study that when we use data-driven risk-adjusted models for clients, that is their best bet in order to achieve the goals that they've articulated to us. So when we experience volatility for most of our clients, we say that's not going to impact your ability to retire when you want to spend what you want, and to give away what you want to charity and heirs, because we've already anticipated we're going to have recessions. We're going to have periods of time where the market doesn't cooperate, and we've baked that into your results so that if the market falls by 20% over the course of the next year, that shouldn't change our projections for you because we've already anticipated that we would have periods of time like this. Just another way that we at the Adams Chetwood Wealth Management are trying to guide our clients to financial peace of mind.